Hello friends, this is Aman Khan from iPro Realty. Today I'm going to talk about the pre-construction. Okay, I'm sure you have a lot of question regarding the pre-construction, and people always get confused. What is a platinum access? What is a VIP access? And those kind of thing, right? So please, what is the pre-construction mean? A lot of people they don't even know what is a pre-construction. Stay tuned. I just got to talk about this small break. Okay, thanks.
Real estate market is complicated, and that is why every step needs to be taken carefully. But with Team Aman Khan, you get something exceptional and out of the box, such as selling your house at the price we commit. Moreover, get the cash offer within 24 hours for your property. So with us, satisfaction is guaranteed. Get buyback and sell-free services. There is absolutely no catch, just honest client services with Team Aman Khan. Call now, 647-280-0201.
Welcome back. Yeah, so we are discussing about the pre-construction. So regarding the pre-construction mean the house or the condominium is not ready yet, right? The builder or the developer has simply launched or made the announcement they're going to build one condominium here. The people going to get that condominium in 2024, and they're going to give you once it's ready. So maybe they are planning to. They are aiming for 2024, but it's always get sometime late by 6 months or 1 year. Okay, so don't get surprised. Okay, so but people always ask what is the VIP access? What is the meaning of platinum access? And guys, first of all, whenever you see I have to be very honest with you. Okay, whenever you see the prices is starting from 400 or 399 or 399K or 400K, so don't expect that you're gonna get this price. Okay, so what's happening, there is a different layer of access. Okay, when it's come to the pre-construction, one access is a family and friends. Okay, so the developer or builder always give access to their own family and friends. Those all the very the attractive units of this building or the house. Okay, their own family and friends, and those price range, the one I just mentioned about it. Okay, those price range you're not going to get it, by the way. Okay, and anyway, those units are very less anyway. It's a few units only. Suppose they are building like 400 units, but those units starting from the 400 or starting from 350K, they are like only 4 or 5 units. It's gonna go like right away. Okay, and they will going to give it to their own family and friends first. Okay, what is the platinum access? The platinum access, the agent who has already worked before with a builder and developer, and they have sold significant amount of units for them. Okay, they always give them the access first. Okay, so suppose there is a 400 units they are selling, and the agent can go and they can always get the suppose 25 unit, 30 unit, 50 units, depend how credible agent say is, and how much trust the developer they have on this agent is very important, right? And then he get those all the allocation. Okay, and then you can always so whenever the people reach the platinum agent, he will make sure that you get your desired unit. Okay, based on the layout or the floor plan they have. But those platinum agent, they always get the right the best unit of the whole complex or the whole building. Okay, same thing with the VIP agents. So VIP agents, like any agents after that, okay, they will get like a access to that to the building or to that project. So whenever they wants to then the builder send the blast mass email to all the agents. Okay, whoever had contacted before, whoever has already registered with them, so they will get the invitation from the builder. Please come and get the access. Okay, and please come and get the those all the units you want, right? But again, limited units available. After the platinum is gone, then VIP agents they will have some kind of units available, but it's not guaranteed that you're gonna get those units. Okay, so in order to get guaranteed unit, make sure that you talk to the platinum agent and you will receive that. Okay, so this is the 3 different layers. Okay, and then after that, once even though VIP access get the access, then it's open to the public. Okay, then anybody can walk into the to the builder office or developer office, and they can find out about the units if it is available or not, which is very difficult for them to get it. Make sure that you always hire the agent before you go for the pre-construction, because the agent always knows all the technicality before they booked any units for you. Okay, they have a lot of questions. They can educate you what to ask from the builder. They will take you to the lawyer office to go through all the paperwork. So it's very important that you do not go alone. You are by yourself. Okay, always hire an agent, and you're gonna have better experience instead of like you go by yourself. Anyway, guys, just call me again, 647-280-0201, and you can also visit teamaman.com. There is a pre-construction tab. You can always go and check it out, what new projects is coming up. So in that way, you can always call me and you can find out about the projects. Okay, thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.